How to enable or disable add new vehicles to Android Auto on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then go down and tap on connected devices. Now from here, scroll down, then tap on Android Auto. Next, go down, then tap on previously connected vehicles, and then tap on add new vehicles to Android Auto. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off, or tap on it to turn it on. Here say when you connect your phone to a new vehicle, your phone will only charge. Or when you switch it on, when you connect your phone to a new vehicle, Android Auto will begin setup. And that's it. After that, tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.